So this is kind of my end of the month survey of my pineapple plants. Now, I can tell that they're doing well because if you get really close into them, you can start seeing that the edges get serrated, which means that they're protecting themselves from predators. And I can see inside the new growth that's coming in. So that's what I'm going to use as my judgment as I'm going through, whoops, and looking at these now. One year I had a nice green frog inside. So these are doing really well. And so I'm pretty comfortable that they're gonna do well. Not sure if they're gonna produce fruit. So then that brings us over here to our lemon tree project. Wow, this lemon tree has been going through some ups and downs, and you can see it's growing again pretty fast. But here we are in April. I'm not sure how fast it's going to produce, but I'm thinking we might end up getting some fruit this year. Notice how fast the thorns are coming out, right? So the thorns are coming pretty quickly this year. So that's a good sign. And I think maybe, I'm going to probably prune some of the brown off the top, those that are dead, right? But it's showing really good signs. So then we're going to take a look at the rest of the pineapples.